Habitable in 22nd century. My name is Cynthia from Botany Department and I will be moderating this debate.
Has been there, but still the risk of global warming and the level of ice glaciers has been increasing rapidly. As the climate change has actually become so harsh nowadays. Climate changes are never constant and is getting unpredictable and out of control. If we take an example of unusual research like our own taking time bomb, if we don't refuse it, then consequences will be very severe. Worst part, people are stirred. So it is very clear from itself that many famous scientists and many famous personalities have already accepted the truth. The effect of that awareness will only remain for a few days or a few months, but after that people will completely.
This is really evident to say that because nowadays many organizations and schemes are being set up for the betterment of the nature, biodiversity, for the long-term health of the biodiversity, and even many organizations like Greenpeace, then IUCN, then human justice, many more schemes are being introduced.
Now everybody should hear.
Habitable in the 22nd century. So we all know that relationships are becoming worse nowadays. The people are fighting even for a wall between the neighboring houses. And also
I think that what only being habitable in 22nd century, but it will fly because we have equipped to overcome the challenges that we are facing like biosecurity risk, pollution and resource depletion, etc. We have developed our capacity for innovation and now we have a wake-up call. It's never too late to make a change in our society. As a common people, we have to make a difference in our society.